In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format numbers as currency in Notion. Whether you're managing budgets, tracking expenses, or just want your data to look sleek and professional, formatting numbers as currency can make your Notion page both functional and visually appealing. And the best part? You no longer have to manually type in the currency symbol each time you add a new entry. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're in the database where you want to format your numbers as currency. You'll find that setting it up directly from the database itself saves you time and keeps things consistent. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Add Property, which you'll usually find on the right-hand side of your database. This gives you the option to specify what type of data the new property will hold, among other things. Now, for the purpose of currency formatting, you'll want to select Number from the list of property types. Numbers are inherently flexible, allowing you to later customize how they appear, which is exactly what we're after for currency settings. Once you've added that number property to your database, you need to move on to the next step, which involves adjusting the table settings. Click on the table name to ensure you are modifying the right settings specific to that database. After doing so, you should see an option to Edit Property. This is where the magic happens. Within this Edit Property section, you'll find Number Format. Clicking on this reveals multiple options for displaying your numbers, but for our task today, we'll focus on currency. Here, you'll want to choose your desired currency format, such as US dollar, USD, or any other preferred currency depending on your needs. You're not limited to dollars. There are multiple currency options, allowing you to tailor it to the specific requirement of your records. After selecting the desired currency format, you're all set. Your database will now automatically display any numbers you input as formatted currency. This means that any time you enter a new number into your specified property, it will instantly appear with the correct currency symbol. This automatic formatting not only saves time, but significantly reduces the chance of errors when entering data. And there you have it. That's how you format numbers as currency directly within Notion with ease. By following these steps, your data will not only be accurate, but also neatly displayed, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your workspace. Feel free to experiment with different currency options if your work or projects demand flexibility. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your processes in Notion.